Come test drive the 2023 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, rear stabilizer bar, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, traction control, driver attention alert system. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.